Yes. Hello, people. Anybody new to the session today? Your day one? Anybody? Hello, people. I request you to kindly unmute yourself and speak up. Jayanta, you're new to the session today? People, am I audible? Dwarakant, you're there?
You are audible, yes.
Okay. You're new to the session today? No, right? You're
No, I joined yesterday.
okay. So what about Naresh and Jayanta? Okay, Jayanta joined yesterday. Okay, and what about Naresh and KK? I don't know your name. Yes. Guys, can you quickly respond it so that we can go ahead? Yes. Hi, Arun. Are you new to the session today? You joined yesterday?
Yeah, I understood.
Okay, cool. Got it. So, what about others? KK and Naresh, can you quickly confirm? Okay, Naresh joined yesterday. What about KK? I'm not sure about the name. There is no name in there in the participant. Can you quickly confirm? Okay. So, KK, you're there. Can you kindly unmute yourself and respond? Okay, no worries. So, yes, people, anybody went through the course content? Hello, people.
We don't have access to the course content.
Okay. So, yes, today let us understand. Did you guys understood like what is Selenium? What is Selenium actually? People, I just want to know some of the introduction from your end so that I can just go ahead with the concepts like Naresh and Arun, can you please, Dwarakat, kindly respond? What is
So
Selenium? Yes.
it's an open source automation testing tool compatible with Java, Python, and JavaScript.
Okay.
And that's what I know.
Okay, cool. No worries. No problem. So, people, you are from the, you people know already Java, code Java?
Yes.
Not very extensively. Uh, Basics.
Okay, basics you know. Okay. What about Dwarakant?
Basics I know.
Okay, cool. Awesome. So, Manish, you are new to the session today? Manish, you're there? Okay, no problem. Okay, so today, yes, do you guys have your Eclipse in your laptop?
No, actually, we have to install it.
Okay, so you people can do one thing. You can download the Eclipse. Okay, I'll just share you one. Today, what the agenda of today's concept is, I mean, the today's session is all about. You have to install the Eclipse and how you can download the Selenium WebDriver. Okay. So yes. So anybody else have the Eclipse already in your laptop? Hello, people. So people, I want you guys to interact more so that it will be more helpful for me to go ahead with the concepts. If you're not interacting, it will be very hard for me to continue. Okay, I just shared one URL. Anybody else already have the Eclipse in their laptop? Jayanta, Naresh, Manish? So people, please unmute yourself. So Dwarakant, you have the Eclipse in your laptop?
No, I need to install it. I have downloaded the zip file.
Okay. Can you click on the link that I have shared in the chat? So what about Naresh and Arun? Arun, you have Eclipse.
No, I have to install. So this link is for Mac OS also, only for Windows.
Just click on that, and I guess it is only for Windows. Can you click on that? It is only for Windows.
Okay.
Okay.
So I will download it.
Okay. Please download Eclipse.
You want us to install now, or should we do
Yes.
it later?
Yes. Now itself. So now we will execute one of the program. So I want everybody to have the Eclipse right away. Okay, I'll guide you with how you can install the Eclipse. Okay, so click on the link which I've shared. Okay, so once you have downloaded, you have to save that file. Okay, and post that you have to extract that zip file. So Dwarakant, can you share your screen? I'll help you out with how to set up the Eclipse.
How do I share the screen?
Yes, you can share your screen.
Yeah, which button I have to press to share?
Uh, there is one icon as share, right?
Got it.
Got it? Okay. Are you sharing your screen?
Trying to, it is taking time.
Okay. Manish, you're there? Naresh? Yes. So you can download using that link for to install the Eclipse in your Mac.
You see,
I will Rachna, I will join in 5 minutes. I think this system is not supporting me to install it. I downloaded it, but this is closing unexpectedly. I
Oh,
will log in through another laptop.
sure. Quickly you can make it. Okay. So Dwarakant, your screen is not visible. Can you reshare your screen?
yeah, I'm sharing right now.
It is not visible. Your your screen is blank. Can you reshare it? Are you sharing, Dwarakant?
Yeah, I'm struggling a bit. I don't know why it is not sharing.
Okay, you can refresh it and you can share your screen. Or else, Jayanta, can you share your screen? Now it is visible,
Able
Dwarakant.
to see?
Oh.
Okay. What do you see now?
So you can go to Chrome and click on that URL which I shared in the chat.
I have the exe here. I have to execute that. Right?
Yes.
Eclipse.exe.
Actually, your screen is not visible for me. So people, are you able to see screen? Jayanta? Jayanta, you're there? Dwarakant, your screen is stuck.
Can you see Eclipse IDE?
No. Your screen is stuck. Naresh, I request you to unmute yourself. Naresh and Jayanta. Hi, Samir, you're new to the session today. Samir, you're there? Jayanta, you're there? So people, if you guys are not interacting, it will be uh, you won't be able to follow what I'm trying to tell. Naresh, you're fine with your laptop? Oh, yes, somebody, Dwarakant, your screen is visible. Okay, you can go to the Chrome. Okay, and click on that link which I shared in the chat just now, eclipse.com. There, Dwarakant?
My ID is coming up.
Yes. So you can click on the download.
Yeah, I downloaded Eclipse.exe and now it is launching.
Okay, just launch it. And after that, you can go to downloads and extract that zip file.
Finished extracting.
Okay. So once you're extracting, uh, it is in the .exe file.
The Eclipse.exe file here.
Okay. Did you get the page as welcome to Eclipse? Or
Not yet.
your screen is stuck. You're not able to. I can't see your screen. So people, are you able to see Dwarakant's screen?
There is too much bandwidth on the computer.
Okay, maybe it is, there is some,
Very issue.
yes.
Can I do it later?
Yes. Okay. Anybody else who doesn't have the Eclipse right away? Soumya? Hello, Soumya. You're new to the session today? Soumya, you're there? Soumya, Samir. And Smith. Smith, can you unmute yourself and share your screen and click that link?
Mobile actually. Yeah. So this is my first day.
Okay, Soumya, it's your first day. Okay, no problem. I just now shared one link in the chat,
phone,
right?
so I cannot.
Yeah, yeah, Samit, yeah, Smith.
I'm connected using my phone, so I cannot share my screen.
Okay, so anybody else who is using your desktop, can you guys share your screen? We shall have the Eclipse setup right away. So people who are new to the Java, anybody new to the course who doesn't have Eclipse in their desktop? Hello, people. So Smith and Soumya, you guys have the Eclipse in your desktop already?
I do.
You do have a Eclipse. Oh, okay. So you're new to the session today. Can we have a quick introduction of yourself, Smith?
Sure.
Yes.
My name is Sam, and I joined this course to learn more about the Selenium. I am looking for a job in Selenium automation.
Okay. So how do you rate yourself for the Selenium out of 5? So you know Selenium or you are new to the Selenium?
No Selenium, bit of it.
Okay. So you know the basics commands of the Selenium. Is it?
Yeah, yeah. I don't know if I'm very audible or not.
Yes, you're audible.
I'm familiar with basic commands, but I'm looking more into the details.
Okay, cool. So yes, yesterday I had given there is one video, I mean the recordings being shared of yesterday's. You can just go through yesterday's recording. So where I have shared all the content details, like what are all the concepts will be covered in the Selenium. Okay. So
Okay, thank you.
yes. So yes. Today, I just wanted to make a setup for everybody to have the Eclipse and the Selenium WebDriver. So people who have a, so you have a Selenium WebDriver in your desktop, people? I cannot move without you people without having a Selenium WebDriver in your desktop. So everybody have Selenium WebDriver? Smith, you have Selenium WebDriver installed? Hello, Naresh. You're there?
Need to
Dwara?
download the Selenium.
Yeah,
We need
Dwara.
a link to download the Selenium.
Yes, so you can share your screen. I can guide you with that. Dwarakant, you're there?
See my screen?
No, your screen is not visible. Naresh, Jayanta?
See my screen? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Dwarakant, your screen is visible. Can you open your Eclipse?
I'm unable to have Eclipse and the meeting link going at the same time. I have to do this research later.
Okay, like now you are not able to open your Eclipse?
Correct.
Okay, cool, no worries. You can stop sharing your screen. I'll share my screen right now. Okay. So yes, so today people, can anybody explain the components of the Selenium? Yesterday I already told a few of the components. Can we guys quickly recall the Selenium components?
Like grid ID, RC, and WebDriver.
Yes, exactly. You are aware of it, Arun?
Aware of it means I don't have a complete knowledge on it. Earlier, I tried to watch some YouTube channel videos, but it didn't go through well.
Okay.
So, so all I know is we use Selenium WebDrivers for web application automation, and I guess IDE for recording.
Okay, cool, awesome. So yes, so now today we will understand the components of the selenium. Okay, so
Yeah.
yes, before that, yesterday I explained you why we have to automate it. Like what is automation? Can we quickly recall that what is automation?
Uh, See, in current market on this agile model,
Yes,
we have to run the regression test suite very frequently, and that
correct.
regression test suite, the number of test cases increases sprint by sprint, and the new features added adds we have to perform the functional testing and the regression testing within the 2 weeks. They say 2 weeks, but we will get only 1 week for testing. That's 5 days. So
Okay.
within that 5 days, we have to run the complete regression suite and make sure no functionality is broken and no defects are added with the new functionalities.
Okay. So we are making sure that to test the each and every functionality of an
Yes,
application, correct, right? So
yes.
yes, awesome, Arun. Thank you for that. Okay, so today let us understand. I already explained you like what is Selenium. Okay, so Selenium is an open source web automation tool. Okay,
Yes.
yes, it's an open source web automation tool, and it has the various concepts. Okay, components. Okay, so yes. So basically, there are four components in Selenium. Okay, so which are they? The first one is,
Selenium WebDriver.
yes, the Selenium IDE was the first one. Okay, Selenium IDE. Okay, and the second one is we have, which is the second one, people? Selenium WebDriver. Correct, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have Selenium WebDriver. Okay, and which is the next one, Harun? Hello, Arun, you are there? Selenium Grid. Correct? So we have Selenium Grid and Selenium Server. Okay. So now let us understand one by one what is Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid, and Selenium Server. Okay. So Selenium IDE. Okay. So it is basically, what do you mean by IDE? So IDE is Integrated Development Environment. Okay. So IDE is Integrated Development Environment. Integrated. Okay. So yes, so Selenium IDE is it's just a browser extension. Okay, so it is also available for the Chrome, and it provides us the graphical interface for recording and playing the. You guys know, right, the recording and the playing. So how do we record and play? There is an option in the Selenium IDE where where it performs the record and play functionality. Okay, so we can perform the record and playing back interactions with the browser. Okay, so it basically allows the testers to record their actions. Okay, and whatever the actions that you perform with the website, or like whatever the any actions you do with the website. For example, if you are performing any login functionality, or if you're performing any login actions, so during that time, every actions that you perform will be recorded in the Selenium IDE. Getting, people?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So yes. So next we have Selenium WebDriver. Okay. So Selenium IDE is nothing but it's a record and play. Okay. So Selenium WebDriver. What is Selenium WebDriver? It provides the programming interface to create and execute the test cases. So the programming interface is available. So you can basically write the code, you can run the code, and you can modify the code, and you can store the test scripts as well. Getting? So it is a programming interface. Selenium WebDriver is a programming interface which to create and execute the test cases. Okay. So, as I told yesterday, it performs the multiple programming. It supports the multiple programming languages. Okay. So you can perform the browser actions. Okay, such as clicking the buttons. Okay, clicking buttons. Okay, and you have a radio button or navigating to the pages. Navigating to pages and entering the text. And finally, you have the expected outcomes. Okay. So yes, then followed by we have a Selenium grid. Okay. So Selenium grid. Anybody know what is Selenium grid? Hello, people?
No,
Okay.
I'm not familiar with.
Okay, okay, cool. Thank you. Okay. What about Samir and Harun? Any idea what is Selenium grid? Okay. So grid is also one of the Yes, Harun?
No, I don't have any idea on this Selenium grid.
Okay, so people, everybody are new to the Selenium, or just to understand that you people are from the manual testing background or non-IT background, or what it is, people?
From manual
I'm
testing.
from a manual testing background.
PFT.
Okay, you people are from manual testing where you have to switch to the automation.
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So yes, what about Samir and Jayanta? Samir? Samir, you're there? Okay, so the Selenium grid is nothing but it's one of the component in the Selenium. Okay, so it allows the parallel execution of the test scripts across the different browsers. Okay, it's the component. Okay, it allows the parallel execution. Okay.
Hi, I'm sorry to interrupt here. Soumya here.
Yes, Soumya.
So basically, you asked like what is the purpose of we joining this group, right? I'm myself from talent acquisition actually, and I'm currently working for this QA automation job role at my organization. So
Okay.
in order to understand the job role better and the Selenium and automation using API, whatever the recipe of the tool, I'm just joining this for knowledge. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you. So, okay. Yeah. The Selenium component, the Selenium grid, it allows the parallel execution of the test scripts. Okay. And we have a Selenium server. So in the Selenium server, we have one server called as an RC server is present in the Selenium server. Okay. We have an RC server present in the Selenium server. Okay. So the Selenium server, basically what happens here is the Java based server, it acts as the middleman between the Selenium WebDriver and the browser drivers. Okay. Selenium WebDriver and browser driver. Getting it, people?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so it manages the execution of the WebDriver commands across the different browsers and operating system. Okay, so yes, these are all the some of the basic, these are all the components of the Selenium. Getting people, what is the component of the Selenium?
Yep.
Okay, awesome. So now let us understand some of the WebDriver architecture. So anybody is aware of the WebDriver architecture? Selenium WebDriver architecture, people?
Doesn't it depend on the Selenium version? Because Selenium 3 and Selenium 4 have different.
Sorry?
It depends on the Selenium versions, isn't it?
Correct. It depends on the Selenium versions. Okay, so yes, let me explain you the what is the architecture of the Selenium. Okay, and before that, I just want to understand like why we do the automation, why automation testing? Because I think I already explained you like the test automation process is nothing but understanding the requirements and defining the scope of the automation and selecting the right tool for the automation, and also as mentioned yesterday, we are creating some of the frameworks that helps in making the test scripts, getting it, and then we are scripting the framework from the scratch, and then we will be starting the scripting of the test cases for the selected automation. Getting it, people? Hello, people.
Yes. Following.
Okay, cool. So yes, just uh, just give me a minute. Yes. So yes, so now let us understand the architecture of the Selenium. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So basically first we have the client API. Okay. In the architecture, the Selenium is basically popular for automating the web browsers. Okay. It consists of the several components. Okay. So the first architecture is the Selenium uh, client API. Okay. So yes, it is the client API. So what happens here? It's the core of the Selenium. Okay, it provides the programming interface. So what does the client API does? It provides the programming
Interface.
interface. It provides the programming interface where it supports the multiple programming languages such as Java, okay, Python, and C Sharp and Ruby. Okay, so here we have a client. What is that? Client API we have. Okay, so yes, the client. Then we have a JSON wire protocol. Okay, JSON wire protocol. Okay, so yeah. So what is the JSON wire protocol? Now we'll understand what is the JSON wire protocol will do. Okay, the Selenium, it communicates with the browsers with the JSON protocols. Okay, so the protocols such as HTTP. Is my screen visible, people?
Yes, it is visible.
So it's basically the HTTP protocol. It will use some HTTP protocol. Okay. And then we have the WebDriver interface. So the WebDriver interface is nothing but we have the web automation WebDriver interface. Okay. So we have a web automation interface that enables the control over the browsers. Okay. Okay. From the Selenium script. So whatever you write the code in the Selenium, it will be controlled by the WebDriver interface. Okay. Then we have the browser drivers. So the browser driver is nothing but like you have a multiple browsers, right? You have a Chrome browser and the Firefox browser, Safari, and you have a Edge. Okay, so what is the browser driver will do? It requires some specific driver to interact with the Selenium web driver. Okay, so whatever the browsers are that is present, so it interacts with the Selenium web driver. Okay, those are the browser drivers. Okay, it interacts with the Selenium web driver. Yeah. So then we have some of the browsers, as I already mentioned, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. Okay. So yes. Then followed by the third-party tools, that is nothing but the frameworks. The third-party tools is what? Like we'll be using the TestNG or the Cucumber frameworks in order to generate the report. Correct. So we need some of the we have some of the frameworks here. Okay, we have some of the third-party tools, frameworks such as TestNG and the Cucumber framework. Clear, people, the architecture of the Selenium? Any doubts?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, any doubt?
No.
Okay. So, yes. So, Soumya, you have logged in with your mobile, right?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Okay. So, Dwarakant, you're done with the Eclipse? Is your Eclipse setup is done completely?
Yes, yes.
Okay, awesome. So now I'll send you one link for you to download the Selenium. Okay, how we can install the Selenium. Okay, I just added one link in the chat. You can download the Selenium from there. Okay, yeah, click on that link. People, I request everybody to follow the steps. Okay, and you have a latest version there. Okay, so now you can click on download Selenium.
Latest version is stable 4.2.
Yes, stable 4.2.
0.22, right?
Yes. Okay, did you download that?
It
No,
is downloading.
4.22 is JavaScript. Okay, what I told you to download is 4.1 is there. There is a latest version in the Selenium, that is the 4.1. Okay, so you can download that latest version. So there you have an Selenium client and WebDriver language bindings, right? So if you click on that, you'll be able to download the, there is a Java there. You have a Java, right? 4.22, correct. That is the one. Okay. So if you click on download, you will be downloading all the Selenium jar files. So whatever there is a Java, yes, 4.22 latest version. So if you click on that, you will be getting the zip file. Got that, Dwarakant?
It is downloading now. Yeah, it is downloading now.
Okay. So once you're done with that, you can extract that file. Okay. So the people who has Mac OS, Arun, you have a Mac OS, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I have shared you one URL for you. Okay, you can, yeah, in the same URL. Okay, it's the same URL. So there, if you click on the Java, can you click on Java?
Yes, I downloaded that too.
You downloaded
Java.
already?
Yeah, 4.22.0 June 2024.
Correct. So you got installed your Selenium WebDriver. Did you extract all the files?
Let me. I unzipped that folder. It is having lot of jar files in that
Okay.
folder.
Okay. So, yeah, now you can open your Eclipse. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have a Selenium setup, Arun, or you do not have?
No, I don't have. I am starting today itself.
Okay, okay, cool. So, yes. Okay. So now what we have to do, we have to configure the Selenium WebDriver with the Eclipse. So you have done with the downloading, right? Okay. So now go to the Eclipse and click on File, New Project. Along with me.
Are you sharing your screen? The other person was.
No, in my system already it has been installed. So I already have the Selenium WebDriver setup. So I am asking you people to share your screen and make a
has signed out, right? So it would help if he could share his screen here. Is it, if it's okay?
Yes. Samir, can you share it? Or Arun, can you share your screen? I'm just making you the as co-host. Okay, you can just share your screen. Okay, so first you can click on create Java project.
So,
Are you
saying no?
Yes. Are you clicking on the create new Java project? Is that done? Dwarakam?
I'm doing that only right now.
Okay, so click on next and then create a Java project. So anybody who is doing, can you please share your screen, Dwarakant? So done with creating the Java project. Okay, so now click on next and you got one source file. Got it?
No, can anyone share the screen and show to it?
Okay.
Because I'm completely new to this Eclipse and
No, you can share your screen. I'll guide you with that, Arun.
okay.
That is why I am asking you people to share your screen. Okay. So yeah, click on the, give the project name, Dwarakan. Perfect.
Am I on the right screen? Dynamic web project?
Oh, no. Click on cancel. Cancel. Okay.
Okay.
So create a new web project. Yes. Click on file. File
new or file?
File new.
Okay.
Project.
Okay.
Project. Yeah. Give the project name. Give it as demo or something. Yes. Demo QA. Okay. Demo you can give it as. Okay. Awesome. So now, yeah.
So it says select a wizard, isn't it?
Yes. Now you can click on finish.
But should I enter the name as a wizard?
Not this one. Okay. A new project. It's not wizard or something. It's a new Java. First, creating a Java. Okay. Click on create Java project. Okay.
But in the menu, there is no such thing as a Java project.
Okay. So create the project. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Now you can type Java project. Next. Okay. Yeah. Give the project. Oh,
Okay.
perfect. So now click on next. Click on Yes, perfect. So after you click on the next, you can click on finish.
Open the Java perspective with the pop-up.
Yes. No, click on no. Okay. So you can close the dialog. Okay. Click on finish. Okay. So now you guys created a Java project. Okay. So now click on the demo QA. Okay. Click on that. Right click on the demo QA and click on package. So click on new. Yeah. Right click new.
New package.
Yes. New package. And you
Name of
can
the package.
package, not class. Yeah, package. You can give it as
Yeah, name.
framework. Okay, automation framework.
Okay.
Okay, so now you can create a new class. You knew this before, Dwarak?
No. But just a minute, there is a checkbox that says create package info.java.
Okay, that is not required. You can directly go ahead with finish. Okay.
See my screen?
Okay. So now right click on the framework, automation framework, and create a class.
The name of the class.
Yes. You can give it as first test case. Okay, and click on the public static void main. Click on that. Perfect. And okay. So now to add the Selenium WebDriver class, correct, right? Sorry, Selenium WebDriver jars. So how we can add the jars now? You can click on the demo. There is one demo QA, right? Left side towards your left. There is a demo QA project on your left hand side.
At the top of the menu, right? At the top of the nav bar.
Yes. Right click on that build path. Click on build path. There is a build path. Yes. And configure build path. Okay. So now you have a libraries. Okay. Click on the libraries. Library in the middle. Yeah. So now you can yes, click on the class path. Yes. Now you can add external jars. Click on add external jars. Okay. And
Don't I have to unzip the Selenium thing?
yes. Now go to the downloads which you downloaded. Unzip, extract all, right click, extract all. Yes, extract. Arun, you're able to follow this?
No, actually, I was stuck at something. I created the new Java project, but later on, I haven't seen that project in that Explorer here.
Okay.
I have all the jar files now.
Okay. So now what you can do is you can come to the Eclipse, come back to Eclipse. Yes. Yeah. Add jar files, add external, yeah, close that. Okay. Add external jar files. Okay. So now add all the jar files. Yes. Where is the unzip file? So click on that. Yes, perfect. Click on that. Yes. Select all. Yes, open. Okay. Click on open.
It's asking for a specific file name, isn't it?
Okay. Select there the jar. You have to click on that jar file. It is in the dot jar, right? So you have to click on that. Yes. Select all. There is one check marks left side the name. Yeah. Can you select all? Control all. Control all. Control A. No, click on that any of the jar file and click on Control A. Yes. Control A. Perfect. Now open and apply and close. Yes. Apply and close. Apply. Yes. Click on apply. Apply and close. Perfect. So now you guys have now we are done with the configuration of the Selenium WebDriver. To the getting people.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
yeah. So now let us understand like how we can write the Selenium, how we can import some of the file. So if you are clicking on the import, in the second line, if you write import org.openka, yes, right in the second line. Okay, is import. Okay, org dot penka OPENQA dot selenium dot WebDriver. D is capital. Okay, W and D is caps in the WebDriver.
Okay.
And add the semicolon. Okay.
There's a red squiggly line over there.
Yes, click on that red. What is it telling? Okay, click on that package. Okay, opens the new wizard to create the type. So you didn't, where are you writing this first test case, right? You are writing in that class only, right?
Correct.
Click on that, no, not there, Dwarakant. You have to click on that first test case towards your left. Yes,
Okay.
yes, there only. Yeah, double click on that.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, click on that into error. What is the error it is showing? Okay, so package org.openka.selenium. Okay, so can you click on that suggestions? Yes, create class WebDriver. Okay, so yeah. So now what you can do here is inside the main method, you can write that WebDriver driver is equals to new Chrome driver. Okay, yeah, that is fine. You can close that. Okay. So you can import it. Yeah, in the next line. Okay, come to the main method. Okay.
Here I get to open QA, I get something.
Okay, cool. No worries. Okay. Inside the main method, come inside the main method. Yes. You can write it as WebDriver driver is equals to new Chrome driver. Okay. Okay. So okay. So yeah, Dwarakant, I'll share my screen. Okay. Thank you. I'll just guide you. You can do it accordingly. Okay. Because it is showing a lot of errors and there is some syntax error over there. I'll explain you so that you can follow that. Okay. Yes. Yes. So let me just. The first step is you have to create one class. Okay, that is first example. Okay, I am creating it the public static void. Okay, so what I was trying to tell Dwarakant is we have to first import the Selenium web driver. Correct, right? First, we have to import the Selenium web driver. Okay, so how do we import the Selenium web driver? We have to write it as import. Okay, import org dot Selenium. So this means that all your setup is perfect. Okay, dot Selenium. Okay. Okay, so now if I'm using any, if I'm writing any code, so now it will be, I'll be able to get the suggestions that and that the error will disappear. Okay, so now I will write the code WebDriver object is equals to new WebDriver, new Chrome driver. Okay, since the browser is the Chrome, I'm writing it as new Chrome driver. So now we have not imported the WebDriver. Okay, so we have to write it as the system.set property. Okay, and to get driver get equal dot com. So now okay, what I did? So, yeah, I've created one instance class and created the driver object. So I'm calling the driver object and running this code. Okay, run the Java application. So if I run this code, the URL will be opened. That is nothing but www.google.com is opened. Getting it, people? Done till here? Everybody?
I'm getting those red squiggly under the import statement.
Yeah, like if you get import, you can import this Selenium WebDriver and the Selenium Chrome driver. Okay.
I'm
So
getting a red line for the import statement.
okay. So I just added one import in the chat. You can take that. Okay. Can you add that import in your
Yeah, I added that one.
Okay. You can share your screen, Dwarakant.
I think there's an access problem because it says the type org.openqa.selenium.webdriver is not accessible.
Yeah, you can share your screen.
Okay. Tina?
No, your screen is not visible. Yeah, now it is visible.
Says it is not accessible. The import statement.
No, your Eclipse is not visible.
No.
Yeah. So, did you import that? Okay, web. So, can you add the braces next to the Chrome driver? Small braces. Correct. And can you write? Can you remove the space after the colon? Can you add the colon after that? Yes. Perfect. So, what is the error it is throwing? That means your Selenium setup is not okay. So that means your WebDriver is not properly set up. Okay. So if you yeah, if you click on that error, hello Dwarakant.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Uh, okay. So that means there is one issue with respect to your Selenium setup. So some of your jar files has not been included. Can you re-add this jar files in your Selenium WebDriver?
Go back to how do I get that class path and all that?
Okay, so now you have to, yeah, can you remove that there is some issue with your, like there you have not extracted all the files or some of the jar files has not been extracted. Okay, so Monday we will connect once again and I will let you know the once again process and I'll share you one link. Okay, you can follow that steps to download and extract the Selenium WebDriver. Okay.
Can you send the document on the WhatsApp group?
Yes, I will send you the one. Which document you mean to say?
Notes for the installation.
Yes, I will send you that link in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, people. Have a great day. Thank you all.